Hello guys, welcome back. We are going to continue with the tutorial, and this is part 2. If you're watching me for the first time, this is part 2. I'm going to show you how to create this amazing school management system. That's SMS. Okay, for managing a school. This is a very complex one. I've already done the review on most of the that's the on this particular software. This web application. It was built with Laravel. Okay, so I'm to get this software. I'm going to show you where you can get this software for free. Yes, it's almost for free. So let me put it in that way. Now let's go to this platform. Enter shop.irida.com. The link is below this video. Shop.irida.com. So this is my official software platform. Okay, so this is shop.irida.com. So the name of the plugin is GH School Portal. Okay, and this is the plugin. So I can log in here. If you are watching me for the first time, this is multi school system. You can manage multiple schools. So if you want to use this one for a business, it is possible. And also, if you're a school and you need this to manage a schools, that is, let's say you have a school and you have different branches at different region or different places, you can use this plugin, this web application. Sorry, it's not a plugin. Web application to manage this school. Okay, it's a very complex one. It has so many features, and as I said, if you are an individual and you want to go into a business whereby you can just talk to schools, get them on board and charge them, you can still use this one. Okay, so let's come back here. So just come back here and select this, the name, Ghana School Portal, this one particular one. I already have an account here, so in case if you want to buy it, just click that, go straight to the process is very simple. You click add to cart, and you see it has been added here. You click on that, then you come here, you proceed to checkout. Then you can just enter your details, and then you can proceed and pay with either your Visa card or your mobile money. Okay, if you're in Ghana, you can pay with your mobile money or Visa card. And one amazing part of this is with this is a multi-currency, so it doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Nigeria, US, UK, wherever you are, you can still use this web application. Okay, so good. I already have the software, or I have an account here, so I will just remove this from cart. Then let me first come to this. I will go to the login page, and I've entered my email password just to log in. Okay, so if you just pay for this plugin after logging in, the moment you log in, it will bring you to this interface, and this is the dashboard. In case you are not here, you can still click dashboard, and you will see this. Okay, so if you don't have the software at all, very simple, go to downloads, click on that, downloads, click on that. Because I've paid for a lot of softwares, that's why you can see a long list here. But the one that I'm going to download, it's this one, Ghana School Portal. Okay, and as you can see, we have it's here. It is here. Okay, so you can just proceed and download, or you can just regenerate it. Make sure you click regenerate first. You go to download, and then download. That is ongoing. You can just go straight, and the size is 200 megabyte. Okay, so you can just proceed and download it from here. Okay, simple as that. I will close that. Oh, sorry, shop that I have to go. I don't want to go back, because yes. Okay, so let me come back to my dashboard. I don't want to download it, so because I already have it on my machine, okay, so I don't have to do that. So you can just come here and download it. That's it. Now you know where to get this software. Okay, now we will end here. Make sure you watch the next video, and the next video I'll show you how to install the software. It's very simple. Okay, very easy. Okay, you're not going to stress yourself. I'm going to make it very simple and easy for you too. Okay, so let's wait watch the next video, and that is part 3. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.